Thinking of smoking your vehicle's headlights? We put together this video using a Volkswagen GTI with stock halogen headlights and Headlight Armor light smoke headlight protection film to show you what your vehicle's lights might look like at night with this setup. During the day for reference, at night with the low beams, the high beams, driver's view, parking lights, low beams, high beams, low beams, parking lights. A view from the outside with the parking lights, the low beams, and a drive-by. Parking lights, low beams, and a short drive through a neighborhood with minimal street lights. For this last clip, we show some general traffic coming at us and the car making a right turn in front of us. Here is our test car with the light smoke headlight protection film. We hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you did, give us a like and visit headlightarmor.com for lighting kits for your specific application today.